How do I get the widgets to show all the time? Now this is a question that came to me about the Cinema Kodi Build. Right, so this version of Cinema is the non-Debrid version, and it's a pretty clean build. All right, it's got 1, 2, 3 pages, and there are widgets there, but the widgets only come up if you press up or down or something like that. I can't remember. I'm on YouTube, so I can't really show you the widgets, right? But how do we set it to just all stay on? So I'm going to try and show you how to do that. All right. You go straight to settings. All right. Go to skin settings. And you click on set up Aeon Nox main menu. And as you can see, we've got 3 pages. These are the menus. So if you want the first page here, you've got the widgets here. So all we do is click on widget number 1 for say Cinema. Then we go down to it says hide widgets when not focused. So focus means when you either press up or whatever like that. So all you have to do is uncheck this box. All right, press back and let's go to the second widget. So I think each of these 3 pages have 3 lines of widgets. All right, 3 lines of pictures of whatever the add-on is. So we go to this one here. As you can see, that's been checked. Hide widgets when not focused. So we just want to uncheck that. And we do the same for movies section. Hide widgets when not focused. Press back. Go down to widget number 2. Do the same thing. Hide widgets when not focused. Press back. Go down to TV shows. Do the same thing. So now the build is going to look pretty cluttered, but some people would like widgets to see all the time. So, some people that will just mess about with their head. And all you do is press the back button and it will just populate. Alright, so I'm going to press the back button, but I'm just going to end the video. Alright, so Cinema is one of the best non-Debrid movie only TV builds of 2025. I don't think it's the best one. I'm going to make a video on my channel that shows you what I recommend. What I recommend is the best one. And if you guys know of a good non-Debrid movie TV show only build, let us know. Because I covered so many builds on this channel, but of course I haven't covered everything. So if any of you builders got a build that you reckon is really good, only, movies only, so no sports, no live TV, let us know. So I'm going to press the back button and then I'm probably going to stop the video. Press the back button again and it'll populate. Alright then guys, thank you very much.